What's going on, guys? It's the Pump Bros. Well, just one Pump Bro. Will's still out of town. And we got a little special for you guys on Father's Day. I just want to say Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there, because without our fathers, we wouldn't have muscles, we couldn't lift. So give them a big thank you and thank them for everything they do. And we're out here, little fan boat day. And the stepdad Michael's got something to say. What you got to say?
We hope you like the video. Like and subscribe down below.
Yup. So we're gonna be tubing today down in sunny South Florida. Sunny on one side, stormy on the other. That's just how the weather works down here. We don't really understand why, but maybe you guys catch me wiping out. We don't know. We'll see where the day takes us. That's just how the table turns.
Smile for the lenses. Live it up. You're growing up. Parties in the wilderness of life. Light it up. Just give it up. Where the kids are running free tonight.
Alright, so we're back in action, and so let me give you the rundown. So we dropped the camera, and while it was in the water, they said, yeah, fine. They said, the police came up, they turned on the lights, they said, you're simply too big and juicy to be out on the open waterways. It's actually illegal to have a 315 bench and not have 3 life jackets on. I don't know, I don't make the rules, I just live by them. So that, yeah, that happened. Yeah, so what actually happened was you're not allowed to have 2 people out on the water at one time. You need a spotter in the boat. So it wasn't due to me being too juicy, but I wish. Yup, so that's why our boat day ended. It was storming, but we're going to the gym later. I'm gonna get into a new project that we're starting on the channel, so I'll get more into that later. Woo! the lightning. But I'll get more into that later. We'll see you guys at the gym. What's going on, guys? It's the Pump Bro. Just one bro, actually. This video is about where to inject. Okay, so we're gonna start a new project today, and this is Orlando, by the way, and he's been out of the gym for a really long time. And we are gonna, all naturally, no steroids. We're gonna see what we can do in a month. We're gonna get him back in the gym, we're gonna work hard, and we're gonna get him big. So we'll see you in there.
Put up 225 today.
You're gonna go for 225?
Yeah, no, I'll probably put up 225 today. Like, I haven't been to the gym in like 4 months, but like I'm trying to get back into it. I used to be able to do 225 for 10. Probably can't even do it for 1 right now, honestly, to be honest. Oh, that's a wild finding.
All right, so we're gonna start with bench press. We're gonna probably do sets of 8 or so, and then Orlando's gonna go for 225. But after bench, we're gonna do incline dumbbell, incline flies, do some machine flies, some dips, and then we'll probably do 2 or 3 tricep exercises, then call it a day after that.
Yeah. Guys, I gotta tell you right now, make sure to smash that subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave a comment down below, alright?
Hey, thanks, Mike.
No problem.
So we got some people on the bench press. Like, if you ever have people on a bench press and want to like get them off it, you just go up to them and ask them how many sets they have left.
Orlando's been hitting this out of the womb. Ever since he lost 25 pounds.
Yeah, no. It's been rough. I lost 25 pounds throughout quarantine. Gym's closed. Didn't eat at all. Just stayed in my bed. Trying not to get corona, but like at the end of the day, like not getting corona made me 25 pounds less.
That's just how the table turns.
My arms are now the size of this barbell.
Like the attention, girl, I know you. But you're everything I want in life.
All right, we're taking on 185. We'll see what happens.
It's honestly us against the world.
Let's get a little tough.
You're my dream, and I just want it.
Quick 8, nothing too serious.
Yeah, let me tell you something right now. Pump bros, not a force to be reckoned with. It ain't going nowhere.
All right, we don't think Orlando's gonna hit it.
No, I don't even think I'm gonna hit it either, bro. I used to be able to do this for 10.
Hey, come on, Lando.
Hey, we out you. Ready? Watch this.
Look at those things. Those things are tiny.
Yeah, wait.
Oh, baby, if you ever need a helper, you should know that I'll be there day and night. Nobody else can love you better. I'm here just to treat you right. You're the reason I'm alive. You're the only pain I can endure. And when you're not here, you're my dream, but I just want it. Yeah, I just wanna. You're my dream, but I just want it. Deep inside I knew from the start, you my bunny, I'm your Clark. From now to eternity I give you all my heart. We are meant to be, it's clear to see. My love is bigger than I thought. I got everything I want when I hold you with my arms. Yeah, this don't matter, my love and my pleasure, the key to my treasure. Whatever's the weather, day up and out with you till I die. How many times for you I'ma try? Want you to notice the one and I know this. Perfect soulmate, I wanna show it my best friend. She saved my life, my head.
Well, it's kind of been a crazy day. Made a little mistake. Gym's closing early. So we're gonna have to wrap up this chest day with some dips. All right, so like I said, this little project. So this is Orlando's current physique right here, 1 month out. We'll check back in a month. Any thoughts on the workout today, Orlando?
You know, if you guys ever need someone to like hit you up with some tips or anything about working out, you should hit up the Pump Bros. Don't hit up Will, hit up Chris, because Will doesn't know what he's doing.
Appreciate that. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.